The Access Control System, or ACS, uses various inputs such as card readers, biometric readers, etc., and signals such as fire alarms. It ensures only authorised individuals are given designated access to secured areas within the airport. It prevents and detects unauthorised access. It also ensures doors open and close during alarm events. The system also refuses entry to a specified area when an individual does not have access authority for it. It archives all access and alarm events, providing an audit trail, and notifies airport authorities of abnormal or alarmed events. The system consists of a hierarchy of network-based intelligent door panels, or IDPs, workstations, and redundant real-time servers. The IDPs communicate via interface connection boxes, or ICBs, with specified readers, portal input devices, portal output devices, and other access control portal-related devices. There are 23 different types of ICB installed throughout the cargo complex buildings and the Amiri hangars. For a complete list and their locations, refer to the relevant manual. The access control system is made up of a number of components. The interface control box, containing the DC power supply and battery charger. Batteries. An AC transformer that powers the ICB and one that powers the IDP. A 12-volt, 24-volt relay. Fiber splice box. Media converter. Fire alarm module. Circuit breaker. Tamper switch. And terminal block. There's an alarm sounder, which signals unauthorised access or a door being left open. Door hardware consists of the electrical power transfer, magnetic contact, remote-operated door lock, and limit switch. There are a number of readers. These are proximity card reader with pin pad, and biometric reader. There are 3 types of cabling in use: for the door locks, sounders and contacts, and for card readers. There are a number of safety precautions to adhere to when working on the system. Know the system. Accurate, up-to-date information should be available to those who work on it. Test every circuit and conductor before working on them. Use one hand with your body turned to the side when operating a safety switch. Limit possible injuries by not placing body parts directly in front of energized equipment if there's danger of an arc flash. Use the correct equipment and clothing. Insulated tools, rubber gloves, safety boots or shoes, safety glasses, and non-metallic ladders. The ICB provides communication between all ACS site elements and between IDP and access control servers. It receives signals from readers and sensors, delivers them to the IDP, and executes commands such as locking or unlocking a door or energizing an alarm. ICB types vary, but this is a general description of their operation. A card reader is usually connected to the ICB terminals block. When the card reader is used, a signal is transmitted via the ICB to the IDP. The IDP then processes the information. If a door is to be opened, it sends a command to the ICB's 12-volt relay and supplies power to the electric rim if it's a personnel door, or an open command to the door's control panel if it's an overhead door with ACS control. The door remains unlocked for a preset time period. After this time, the 12-volt relay that controls the electric rim is deactivated, unless the door is left open. The magnetic contact senses if the door is left open. and sends an alarm signal to access control workstations. For the overhead doors, a limit switch replaces the magnetic contact. If there's a fire, the fire alarm module is triggered, which activates a 24-volt relay. The relay supplies power to the electric rim to unlock the door and sends an alarm signal to the IDP. If it's a fire-rated door, a command to close it rather than unlock it is sent. Alarm signals are also sent to the access control servers should the AC or DC power fail. The tamper switch can also send an alarm signal if there is an ICB violation. A series of maintenance procedures should be performed on the system annually. The access control operator must be informed of any maintenance works so that the tamper switch alarms are disabled. To carry out a visual inspection, unlock the ICB panel. Open the circuit breakers. Using a multimeter, check the circuit breaker terminals to ensure the ICB is not supplied with AC power. Disconnect the battery. Visually inspect components for faults. If any appear worn out or defective, consider replacing them. Continue measuring and cleaning before locking the ICB. Use a digital multimeter to measure the voltage at the poles of the battery to ensure it's working properly. Batteries have a life expectancy of 4 to 6 years. Use compressed air to clean the ICB. When cleaning is complete, reconnect the battery. Close the circuit breakers and then close and lock the ICB. Inform the Access Control Centre that maintenance works have been completed and tamper switch alarms can be reactivated.